Hi, in this video let me see the part modeling and assembly of pushed bearing. Let me start from the first part, block. We start from the front view and select the sketch, rectangle, and dimensions 230 and 26 millimeter, and go for future extrude. The extrude length should be 76 millimeter. Make midplane extrude 76 and give OK. And make the fillet of 6 millimeter. Yeah, front view fillet is okay. Now we'll look from top view. Here we want to make a fillet. Again go for fillet and make the fillet of 4 edges. Now let me look from top view. Top view is okay. Then let me make this hole. Select the surface and draw the rectangle with approximate size. Give the dimension 10 millimeter with the height of 16 millimeter. It should be distance from the center is 18 millimeter. 160 divided by 2. Then select the circle and draw the circle here and trim the unwanted lines. And go for extrude cut. Select up to the surface and select the bottom surface. You can make the hole here up to the surface. Then enable the plane because we are going to mirror the future. Go for mirror and select the plane and give OK. Then we should make the undercut here at bottom surface. Select the bottom surface and draw a rectangle with the approximate dimension. Here the length is 198 millimeter and height is, we can look from side view, 76 millimeter. 76 minus 24. Then go for extrude cut. This should be 3 millimeter. Give OK. Now you can see here we made undercut and we should make a fillet here. Select the all edges at bottom undercut. Make the fillet with radius of 1 millimeter. Then we draw this circle. So select the center plane, that is front plane. Draw the 2 circles with the radius of 48 and dia 64. Make 2 circle concentric and this circle vertical to this midpoint. Give the dimension here. First one is 48/2 because that is radius. Then diameter is 64 and go for extrude. Select the mid plane. The extrude length is 100 mm. You can look from side view. Now we should draw this one. This should be straightly connected to the base. So select this plane. Go for sketch and select the line. Select the front plane and draw the line. Now let me use a new command here. Go for future and there is a command of rib. We should make the rib up to 76 mm and give OK. That's all. Then make mirror it, this rib. Yeah, we made it. This edge should be made fillet of radius 8. Select this and give the radius of 8 mm and this edge also. Give OK. Now you look from front view. Everything is okay. Remaining thing, we should make the hile hole here. For that, just you enable the plane and go for hole wizard and select the hole. First we should select the placement. This top surface we should make the hole here and select the smart dimension. Reference should be given. It should be middle of the plane. So give the dimension reference to the plane at middle. 0, 0. And go for type and make ISO standard. Go for ISO and depth should be up to this web. And check the values because we are going to make the hole here M6 diameter. That's all. We made a hole here. Let me change the appearance. We should select the material because this material is cast iron. So let me apply the material. Go the appearance and select the steels, metal steels. And apply the material here. Just you select the material and right click and set as appearance. That's all about materials. Apply and save the file. Create the new folder bushel bearing. The part 1 is block. And go for new part. Now we are going to make the bush. Select the front view and go for sketching. Select the circle and make a 2 circle with a diameter of 50 and 64. And make the extrude of 100 mm. And one thing, we should make the hole here. Again you go for hole wizard and make a hole here. Select this hole because the hole is going to be straight. Select the surface and follow the same procedure. First you give the reference 0 from this plane and 0 from this plane. M6 hole, so you select 6 mm diameter M6 and give OK. Soft material is brass. You can look here, we made a hole. Let me apply the material. Go for appearance, brass, and apply the brass set appearance and save the file. Then let me start the modeling of shaft. As same procedure, select the front plane and go for sketching. Select the circle and draw the shaft with a diameter of 50 mm and extrude of 110 mm, 120 mm. It should be greater than bush and give OK and make the fillet chamfer of your shaft with radius of 2 mm. And save the file and apply the material. Yeah, we modeled all the parts and save the files in separate folder. Then go for assembly and select the assembly and open the folder and select the folder from your location and open first part, which one going to be a stationary. We are going to select block here. Then go for insert and browse your bush, open and keep it anywhere because we are going to mate the bush here. Go for mate and select the outer surface of your bush and the inner surface of your block. Now both are concentric. Also we should make another constraint here. The hole, oil hole should be concentric. Select bush hole and block hole. Now make these two are concentric. Look, we can look from here, left side of your picture. Yeah, we made both are concentric. Remaining thing, we should add the shaft. The shaft is movable, so it necessary to be concentric between the bush and shaft. This one, that's all. These two are concentric. That's all about assembly. This we can pull it and push back. This one is a isometric view of our assembled component. Let me convert into drawing sheets. Go for new and open the drawing sheet and choose your sheet, or else you can go for customize sheet. I am going to landscape A4 sheets 297 and 210 millimeter and give OK and open the component and assemble. Fine. Go for model views and assemble view, select that one and keep it there, and left side you select the front view and go for top menu, projected views, and place the top view here. And again click the front view and go for project side view and place the side views and go for annotation, give the dimensions of front view, side view and top view. To give the name, go for annotation and take a note and place where you want to give the name and type. This one is front view. Top view. And side view. The dimensions should be arranged in proper manner, and this one is isometric view. And give the name for this isometric model also. And go for the file, save as, and save the file into PDF format. That's all about assembly model of brushed bearing. Thanks for watching.